Ang question, sinong gumawa ng narrative na yun? Is it Perez alone? Is it Macaraig as team leader? Or somebody else? O nandito ba yung chief of police? Ikaw ba gumawa ng report to the province? Why didn't you admit during the previous hearing? If you're not part of the group which planned and make that narrative post-operation, why did you not admit that indeed that car, that Camry, red Camry was used and it is impounded in your station? Ang problema sa inyo, may gusto ko yung isalba. Baka mamaya si Patrol Carpio na naman yung nagsasalita lang totoo. Sisimula ni Carpio, then lahat kayo, papasok dun sa room. Kahit anong cover up nyo, lalabas at lalabas pa rin ang katotohanan. Mamaya, tatanong ko yan. Chairman, I have just read the supplemental affidavit or the corrected affidavit of PMSG 1 Macaraig, in which 1 Macaraig, PMSG 1 Macaraig is the team leader of the said unit that was involved with regards to the shooting of a certain Mr. Laresma. Now, I have not read all the affidavit by the personnel involved, no? Except for Karandang, because Karandang, when we have an executive session, malinaw po na Karandang was not part of the operation, but his name appears on the report to that operation. Whatever is the purpose is, yun na atang kalakaran sa PNP, yun pa, Mr. Chairman, ang mali doon. Kasi kahit hindi ka nasali doon sa operation, for promotion purposes, kinakarga yung mga pangalan doon ng kung sino-sino na lang. Ito ngayon sumabit. Now, of course, he explained in his corrected affidavit or supplemental affidavit that he was not part of such operation. Now, Mr. Chairman, looking at the affidavit of PMSG 1 Macaraig as the head, team leader of the team. And I think almost all, no? Kasi binasa ko lang yung first and second paragraph of all the affidavit except yung kay Macaraig. Lahat po medyo pare-pareho pa rin ang tono, but bago na, and I hope this corrected affidavit is true and correct. That's what really happens during that day, no? When Laresma was shot. Now, ang wala po dito, Mr. Chairman, in the affidavit, kasi dapat nakalagay dito yung question, ito kasi yung question of how happens, no? Yung actual operation. But the planning, ayun yung sabi kanina ni Chairman Barbers, who are those involved? Outside of that 6, hindi nga 7 eh. Kasi Macarandang is not involved directly. He's not part of the plan, he's not part of the operation. His name was just listed in the post-operation report. Now, ang question dito, Mr. Chairman, to get to the bottom of this, all of this, we should check who are those involved during the planning and where those involved in the narrative that was made on the first affidavit of all those personnel involved. Yun po ang wala dito. Before I proceed with that, Mr. Chairman, tatanungin mamaya si Macaraig na lang. Are you sure that you have, baka ito Perez, you are the one that approached the victim. And in your affidavit, I read, you recovered 2 sachet of shabu. Shabu. Tama po?
Yes po, sir.
That is 4 grams? Yung dalawang sachet ba? 4 grams yun?
Yes, sir. Yes po, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka?
Yes, sir.
Baka mamaya may lalabas na naman na walang shabong nakuha.
Sir, kanya po yun, sir.
Tapos 4 grams Not 1 sachet.
2 sachet, sir. More than 4 grams, sir.
Yun lang po. Chine-check ko lang, Chairman, kasi baka mamaya biglang lumitaw. Nagsunurin ka na naman. Problema mo na naman yun. Diba? Now, yung post-operation report, kaya nga yung narrative nung nakaraan is false. Diba? Inadmit na dito sa mga corrected affidavit. Ang question, sinong gumawa ng narrative na yun? Is it Perez alone? Is it Makaraig as team leader or somebody else? Play as the director of such narrative. Oh, Perez. Sino bang gumawa nun? Nung narrative na yun, kayo-kayo lang ba? Sigurado ka? Eh baka, yun yung sinasabi ko, baka may... Kasi, kahit anong cover up nyo, lalabas at lalabas pa rin ang katotohanan. Mamaya, tatanong ko yan. Kaya nga ngayon pa lang, Makaraig and Perez, you're the most senior officer in that group. Baka mamaya mag-executive session ako ulit. May sasabihin na naman. I will ask the chair for an executive session. Kasi kailangan yun. Kasi hindi natapos ang report nyo. Question of the narrative. Pare-pareho kayo eh. Oh, who's the director of that narrative? Makaraig. Where's Makaraig? Makaraig. Sinong director ng narrative nyo?
Bali po sir, kami lang po kasama investigator.
Sigurado ka?
Po, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka? Ha? Eh mamaya pag nagsinungaling ka, problema pa rin. Papakulong kami namin dito. Kasi babalikan ko mamaya yung tanong sa pinagsimulan. Oh, eto. Bigyan kita ng isang clue. Nandiyan mga affidavit mo? Hawak mo ba?
Yes, sir.
Oh, number 13. Basahin mo. Ito, ang problema sa inyo, eh may gusto ko yung isalba. Mamaya si Patrolman, Patrolman, what's your name, Patrolman? Carpio? Ay, baka mamaya si Patrol Carpio na naman yung ano. Nagsasalita ng totoo. Sisimula ni Carpio, then lahat kayo, papasok dun sa room. Oh, Makaraig.
Yes, sir.
Oh, anong laman ng affidavit number 13 mo? Paragraph 13. Yung last sentence. Oh, sabi mo dito ha. Ito, I called PSSG Perez and the Alpha to ride the car and we will go back to the station to report what happened to Police Lieutenant Colonel Lintag, our Police Chief of San Juan, Batangas.
Yes, sir.
Oh, anong oras nangyari to? Yung pag-report nyo?
After na po sir nung mangyari doon sa...
Anong oras nga? Ano yung after?
Mga... Humigit ko lang po sa... Kuha na po ito.
Did you report personally to him? O tumawag ka lang?
Bali, nagpunta po kami mismo sa istasyon.
O nakita kayo doon?
Yes, sir.
On the... An hour, 2 hours, 3 hours after the operation?
Sir, the operation po nung madala po sa district hospital, doon po kami dumiri.
O then, siyang gumawa ng recommendation sa province.
Ipinaalam po namin sa
Hindi,
kanya.
siyang gumawa ng recommendation sa province, di ba?
Yes, sir.
O, yun ang sinasabi ko. Chairman, kasi dito, sa narrative dito, ang gagawa talaga ng recommendation dun sa case is the city direct, the chief of police. O, nandito ba yung chief of police? Ikaw ba gumawa ng ano? Ng report to the province?
Good morning, sir.
Oh,
Ang ginawa ko, sir, yung pinumirma ko, sir, ng spot report, yung mga request, sir, sa ballistic, sa paraffin test, saka sa autopsy, sir. Ang basis ko po, sir, ay yung statement sa akin, sir, ng mga operatives po.
hindi. Ang question kasi, kung anong sinabi nila, ayun yun, hook, line, and sinker. Diba? Yun ang ginawa mo. You never made an investigation. May namatay na eh. May
Sir,
naputukan.
Nagkaroon po, sir, ng judicial affidavit po yung poster buyer, tsaka po yung investigator.
Eto, Colonel ha.
Yun po yung
Eto ha. I warn you now. Again, ikaw. Pinawarn din kita kasi pag binalikan ko mamaya, oh now, I will ask you, Mr. Chairman, ganito na lang. Why didn't you admit during the previous hearing? If you're not part of the group which planned and make that narrative post-operation, why did you not admit that indeed that car, that Camry, red Camry was used and it is impounded in your station?
Sir, with regards to the car, sir, I was in good faith, sir, na sinabi ko po na hindi ako familiar sa car. Because, sir, yung car, sir, ay hindi po siya naka-impound, sir, sa premises po ng station. Doon po,
Eh,
sir.
whatever, you're the chief of police of that station. Eh, may kaano ka dito eh, di ba? May spot report din with regards to that. Di ba nagpadala kayo dito? Oh, you're the police station commander. Oh, ba't nung tinanong ka ng isang member namin dito, chairman ako pa tao, si Chairman Dan? May video pa?
Yes.
You deny it.
Yes, sir. Hindi po talaga ako pamilya, sir, kasi po, hindi po siya nakapark doon sa premises, sir, ng station sa.
Oh, ngayon ang tanong. Oh, Makaraig, ikaw chief of police ka. Makaraig, using that car, did you ask permission from your chief of police? Umuwi ka ba ng permiso na gamitin yon?
Your Honor, ang bali po ang naggamit po yung kabilang team ni...
Hindi ka, ikaw ang team leader eh. Tinatanong kita. Ayan, nagbabatuan na naman kayo. Tinatanong kita diretso, ikaw ang team leader. Did you ask permission from your chief of police to use that car? O ba't hindi ka makasagot? Chairman, wala rin to kapidabit ito. I will recommend personally to the committee na doon sa committee report. Ba't hindi ka makasagot ng diretso? You cannot answer because you want to hide something. Oo, Makarig. Ano to? Akala ko, ayos na tayo. Did you ask permission? Again, this will be my last question. Did you ask permission, your chief of police, to use that car? Please answer.
Yes or no?
Oh. Yes. Perez. Oh, do you know that Makaraig asked permission to use that car by the chief of police?
Your Honor, hindi ko po alam, Your Honor eh. Basta
Pero alam mo
ko,
na impounded yun.
Yes, yes sir. Yes sir.
Alam mo na impounded yun.
Yes sir.
Okay. What's the driver of that car? Red? Di Chavez ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh. Paano mo nakuha yung sasakyan? Who orders you to use that car as your backup? Sino po?
Kami lang po sir yung basta sumakay doon. Apat po kami sir.
And then, tanong ko, sino nagbigay sa'yo ng order to use that car? Sino nagbigay sa'yo ng paintulot na gamitin yung sasakyan na yan?
Wala po Your Honor. Kami
Oh,
po.
wala. Wala nagutos sa'yo? So, ginamit niyo lang?
Yes Your Honor.
Si Macareg never instructed you to use that car?
No po Your Honor.
O Macareg. So, may usapan niyo nung director nyo, chief of police nyo, na gamitin yung pulang sasakyan pero you never instructed the Chavez?
Your Honor, bali po ay nagagamit na po sa Diayo nung una pa. Kaya po nung bigla ang lakad po ay...
Lapit mo yung ano.
Your Honor, dati po ay sa ibang lakad ay nagamit din po. Ay nung biglaan pong lakad ay nagamit na po din po.
Okay. So, sa mga biglang lakad, ginagamit niyo yun. Ngayon, itong operation na to ginamit niyo ulit. But of course, ang presumption mo, alam ng opisyal mo. Ang immediate officer mo is the chief of police. Oh, Hepe. Oh, malinaw. It was being used not only in this operation, it was used in the previous operations. Tapos hindi mo alam? You're not familiar?
Totoo po, sir, na hindi ako pamilyar sa car na yun, sir, kasi hindi po siya nakapark sa, hindi ko na siya
Hindi,
nakapark
whatever.
sa station, sir.
And inventory and everything, you don't have to check. Kailan ka ba umupo doon as chief of police?
Ayun po, sir, ang pagkakambali ko, hindi ko po
Hindi, kailan ka ba umupo doon as chief of police?
August 27, 2022, sir.
2022?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oo. Kailan nangyari yun? Makarag 2023 na. Anong buwan? Limutan ko yung ano nyo. May 28, 2023. 24. Oh, epe. That's more than 2 years. Oh, hindi mo alam? Na may sasakyan doon na pula? Eh, ilang beses na pala nila ginagamit? What kind of boyster you are? Hindi mo alam yung mga nangyari doon sa opisina mo, sa UR mo. Now, ang worst is, post-operation, kung anong narrative nila, yun ang ginamit mo. Unless, sasabihin ni Perez, sabihin ni Macaraig, that you're part of that narrative. Perez, yung chief of police ba, bahagi doon sa report nyo, post-report nyo, tsaka yung affidavit nyo?
Do sir, bali kami-kami lang po yung nagdesisyon sir nung regarding sa affidavit sir, sir.
Kayo lang.
Yes sir.
Do you have a lawyer?
Sir,
May lawyer ba kayo nung maganda ng affidavit nyo?
wala po sir.
Kayo lang.
Yes sir.
Si Karandang saan? Karandang. O yung affidavit ninyo, kayo lang?
No sir, guided po ng lawyer sir.
Ikaw, yung sa'yo.
Yes sir.
Yung iba? Ikaw, Perez.
Sir, ang tinutukoy ko pong affidavit sir yung nauna, pero ngayon sir sa pangalawa may lawyer na po sir.
Yung sa una, Karandang, mayroon kayo?
No your honor.
Ano? So kayo lang?
Yes your honor.
Makaraig,
Yes, sir.
maliban doon sa sa sinong hepe mo talaga? Direct na principal mo, sino?
Si Police Lieutenant Colonel Lintag, sir.
Siya mismo. Wala kang commission officer na opisyal.
Wala po, sir.
So diretso ka kay Lintag.
Yes, sir.
So ang gusto ko lang i-correct because like Colonel Lintag is kept on denying that he knows that the red car is being used and it is under the custody of your station. Now, makaraig, ulit, nung ginamit nyo yung pulang sasakyan, at that time, kinausap po ba si Epe that you will use that car?
No, sir.
No. Di Chavez, ikaw nag-drive, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, nung planning stage, nandiyan ka na?
Yes, Your Honor.
O so si Makaraig ang nagpaplano? Head ng planning nyo?
Yes, Your Honor.
O so sinabi niya na gamitin yung pulang sasakyan?
No, Your Honor. Basta yun lang po yung available. Yun na po ang ginamit namin, Your Honor.
Sabi naman to. So, desisyon niya lang na kung ano lang available na car, pwedeng gamitin kagad. Kahit impounded. Yun yung kalakaran doon. Ganun ba? Ganun ba Makaraig, di Chavez?
Yun po nangyari, Your Honor.
O, ganun. And you are doing it for the past several operation na. Ginagamit niyo yun sa ilang mga lakad. Okay. So, Mr. Chairman, as of now, I will give the benefit of the doubt to Lieutenant Colonel Lintag with regards to his knowledge about that red car. But at the very least, may problema sa Mr. Chairman. Hindi niya alam kung anong nangyayari sa stasyon niya.
Yeah.
Lumalakad yung mga personnel niya na hindi niya alam.
Okay. Tama yan. Okay.
So, Chairman, anyway, still, nakahang pa rin Mr. Chairman yung tanong, question of those, not only those 6, kasi Karandang, i-out mo na yan, wala sa plano yan. Now, yung 6, nakahang pa rin Mr. Chairman kung sino ba talaga ang iba pang involved doon sa planning at the same time sa post-operation report, Mr. Chairman, yung narrative na ginawa nila. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay Chris Richua, ang mga pulis na scalawags, tiyak na may basbas yan sa opisyal nila bago sila gumalaw. Pahayag naman ni Maria Luz Buenaventura, hindi alam ang batas or their duties and responsibilities and the doctrine of command responsibility ng chief or in the supervisory positions of the policemen and women. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Anthony Angosto, kala nyo makakalusot kayo kay Paduano, gigil na yan sa una pa lang na hearing kaya talagang mapaamin kayo. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.